What's up, everybody? Oh, the mats are dirty, but this is one of the best investments you can make in regards to mats for a car. These diamond quilted mats, they are awesome. So we got some stuff in. This is VVIVID Vivid. It is the smoke. Come on, phone. Usually when you're recording stuff, your phone doesn't want to act right. But it is the extra wide smoke black tail light or headlight tint. It comes with the whole kit, little squeegee thing to get your bubbles and stuff out. We're not going to put this on today. We are here for another reason, for the cup test. Now, I just bought these. And I ordered them off eBay, and it was 2 of them. And for those of you who don't know, with these Benzes, these cups, these factory cups in here, the cup holder, it breaks because it's supposed to pop out and then fold over. It ends up breaking, and they are expensive to replace. So a lot of people, they get little cup holder that goes in there, or they use the cup holder. Some people don't even know this is a cup holder. But this one breaks too, and it pops out, and you can hold 2 cups. So some people don't even know that they have a cup holder right here. And the reason they probably don't know is because it breaks. So I needed some type of cup holders in this vehicle. So I was looking. They had the ones with the 4 USB, and they had some pretty ones, but I didn't want to pay that type of money. So these are $20 for both of them. I'm gonna step back so y'all can see them. $20. Y'all excuse my seat. I gotta get that redone. $20, and you just slide it in there, and you can put your stuff in there. I don't have a USB ran in here yet, so I can hide my cable. So I do have it like running all the way through, and then it has a little cutout for your cable to come through, and then you plug your phone up, and you can put whatever you want in there. If you have a big phone, then it may not fit that well, but I made mine fit. So we're gonna do a cup test and see what type of cups that we can fit in here. So just in case you want to get these. So we're gonna start with this skinny one. Let's see how it works. Okay. A little bit loose, a little bit of play, but it'll do the job. And this is your regular skinny one. Now let's do your classic. It's not too big. This is like your average size. So, oh, that's perfect. That is absolutely perfect. Okay, let's go with the big one. A bigger one that's a little bit wider. Let's see if it fits. No, it does not fit. Huh? It doesn't go all the way down, though. It's sitting on top of this little lip right here. Sitting on top of that. So it fits if you turn it the right way. Like if you got the flat side right here. See where it's flat? It'll fit. But it doesn't go all the way down, so I wouldn't trust that. Now let's try this one. Definitely not. And last but not least, we have our classic. Boom, boom, boom. And it fits too. So our winners are your classic big gulp and this regular size tumbler. And there you have it. So you want to stick some stuff in there. Boom, boom, boom. You can stick some stuff for your passenger. You want to stick some stuff in there on your side. Let me see if I have anything to stick in there. All right, give me a second. Oh, I got a receipt. Throw it in there. I got my a little minimalist wallet. Boom. Throw it in there. And you're good to go. So would I recommend these? Absolutely. It was a pretty good buy. They are kind of cheap looking, but hey, it's better than nothing. So with that being said, I'm out. If you're interested, you can get them off eBay.